Hi guys, welcome to our community Codeco. In this tutorial we are going to see introduction to RStudio. So RStudio is an integrated development environment IDE for R programming language where you can write your code, see the results and also see the variables that are generated when you are working with the program. RStudio is available as both open source and commercial software. Commercial software means you have to pay for your software. If you are going to take open source, you can browse it and you can download the software. Here you don't need to pay any money for the open source. And it is also available for both desktop and server version. And it also used in all the operating systems. You can download it from official website rstudio.com. If after the installation process is over, the RStudio is going to look like this. It's going to have three panels. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, the console panel, environmental, history panel, files, plots, packages, help, viewer panel. What's the use of all three panels? Let us start with console panel. See, here we are going to use all the commands, or here we are going to say what it have to do. After we given the command, it's going to show the result. Now we will see what's the use of history and environmental command panel. So it's on the top right. In environmental tab, we are going to see all the variables that are generated while we are working with the program. If I gave a equal to 10, b equal to 10, so it's going to show here in environmental tab a 10, b 10. Okay, let us work with that within few minutes. Okay, and here in third panel we are going to have files, plots, packages, help and review. So what's the files tab do? So here in files tab we are able to see all the files and directories that are available within the default workspace of R. The plots tab shows the plots that are generated during the course of programming. So here we can able to see graphs, all the different types of graphs. It's going to be shown by results in plot tab. Okay, in packages tab it's going to help you to look over all the packages already downloaded or already installed in the RStudio, and also it gives user interface to install new packages. If you are working with a new package that is not installed when you are installing RStudio, just you can go to this tab and you can search for that package and you can download it very easily. And help tab, it is the most important tab. Why I am saying this means you can able to learn which are all the functions and the documents in built-in R programming language. If you search for that function, it's going to say what's the function is going to be worked for. The last tab and final tab is the viewer tab, which can be used to see the local web content that generated using R. Let's work in RStudio. See, if you install, you are able to see this interface. See, here I am able to see console, and here I am able to see environmental, history, and I am able to see files, plots, packages, help, viewer, right? So as I said, here we are able to work with all the commands, right? So just I will give 1 plus 2. So what's the result here? 3, right? So just I am entering 3. See, here you are able to see anything in environment tab? No. What I said there, we are able to see only variables. Here 1 plus 2, I am not in here, any variable is not involved, right? So just now I will give a equal to 10 and I will press enter. What's going to be happen? Just guess. See, here you are able to see a 10 because a is a variable. As I said, in environmental tab we are going to see the variables when we are working with that particular command or the program. Okay, so just I will click enter. See, here you are able to see values a 10. Okay, and also in history we can able to see all the commands we used. See, just I used 1 plus 2 and a equal 10. You are able to see, right? See, we can also remove the values or variables in environmental tab, and also we can clear the console. Okay, so let me clear the console. just click Control L. See, it's clearing everything. Just click Control L to clear the console. And also we can remove all the environmental tab variables. For this we have two functions or two types. First we can use rm of the variable name. See, here I have only a variable, right? So just I will give a and I will press enter. See, you are able to see anything here? No, saying environment is empty. Now just I will give b equal to 10. So just we are not going to confuse. See, here we have b equal 10. See, just I will press this. So here I am using GUI. Okay, so just I will give s. See, it's removing everything. So whether you can use rm command or you can use this GUI. Okay, so here we have two ways to clear environment. And also see, here if you click files, it shows all the available files which are linked here. And here in floats, if you are giving any command which is working with floats, you are able to see here graphs as a result. Okay, and in packages, it shows all the packages that are already downloaded when I install the RStudio. Okay, if I want to install anything, just I have to click on it and I have to press install. Okay, but now I am not installing anything. Okay, see, here you are able to see, just I clicked there, it's showing here. And here in help tab, see, it shows everything. If you search for anything, just I will give sub. So just I will give sub. Okay, see, it's saying everything about that, description and usage and arguments, what are the arguments we are using, and details, everything. See, value. So you can learn everything about that particular function. Okay, so that's the use of help. Yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. We will meet in another tutorial.